Hello, this is my first tutorial. I am going to show you how to search, not make a JCT code. So, I'm going to be searching for star bit values in Super Mario Galaxy 1. So, first thing I'm going to do is go over what this is. It says that it's going to be Wiird in the title of the video, but I'm using gecko.net. You can find this program on the forums for Wiird's website. Just look up in Google Wiird, and then it should be one of the first hits for the forum. Click that, make an account if you want to ask questions and stuff there. Then just head to the download page. So, and then you can get all your programs. Anyway, this is the search tab of gecko.net. What you have here is your memory range. Most of your things are going to be in the 80 memory range, or the 800. I don't really change out of that. You got your data type 16, 8, and 32-bit single. I don't exactly know what that is. I think it's floating point. So I don't use it much. So for star bits count, I usually stay at 16-bit. You can enter your star bit count in the value, right click in des to hex. So the search conditions specific value is what we're going to be using because we know the value of our star bits. So, and it will be equal to 9,969 for mine. For yours, it might be however many star bits you have. So let's say your star bit count was, I don't know, 8,460. You would hit right click des to hex, and that is the hex for your star bit count. Wii games count values in hex, so you're not going to be using decimal ever. So, but mine is 9,969. 9,969. Right click, des to hex, search. We'll dump data. We're just gonna make a bunch of loud, irritating noises. But I just mute my TV. It gives you a headache if you're really looking for a complicated code and search for like an hour and a half. Just wait until it's done dumping the data. I'll go over these other tabs at a later date. Alright, here we go. 22 results, one page. Every now and then you get tons of results and you gotta keep on narrowing down your search. Now, we have to narrow down the search a bit. So, what you would do is shoot off a couple star bits or collect some. Since I'm in the observatory, I'm going to shoot some star bits. Alright. I shot them. I'm 9,963. So, 9,963. Right click, des to hex, refine. And here we go. So, 3 results. We would right click the top result because I know that's the one that's going to be. But if you don't know the value, you would start at the top and go down to the bottom by right clicking, hitting poke. The poke window takes the value and puts it to another value. Temporarily, depending on your search. So what we would change it to is the old value, which should be 9,969, or whatever your star bit count is in hex. The new value is what your value is now, which for me is 9,963. So we'll insert the old value, 226 F1. 26F1. Now hit poke. I'm not sure what serial poke is, just don't hit that, hit poke. And your star bit count should go up to what your value was. So we found the value of the star bits. Now you know how to search for specific values. Later I'll jump into unknown, which will give you not equal, less than equal, all of these. So if you are making a code, which I'm not going to explain how to do, you would right click the address and then new GCT code. Enter the code name. I'll just put tutorial. Okay. And I'll give you this value. I am not going to explain what else to do. If you do this code, or just check it, send to game, and your star bit count at the observatory should always remain 9,969. But that is not what we're going to do. Next tutorial I'm going to cover how to use this address and value. So let's go on to the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe.